Hey guys, it is your girl Beauty by Kelly. Thanks for coming on back to my channel. Welcome back. And if you are new to my channel, hello. Today's video is going to be a swatch and review for the Morphe 39A palette, Dare to Create. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna swatch. We're gonna see what this is all about. I'm gonna create a look and then we're gonna, review it at the end. So if you wanna see what I come up with, then keep on watching. And if you happen to like the video, go ahead and just give it a big thumbs up, all that good stuff. Go ahead and subscribe. I mean, because if you're not subscribed at this point, what are you doing with yourself? Like, you're missing out. You are certainly missing out. And do not forget to tap the little notification bell, wherever it's at, down, up, I don't know, I'll figure it out. But tap that and that lets you know whenever I upload a video. So let's get ready. Let's get ready for this palette. Hey guys, so this is the stunning palette. It comes with 39 shades. Okay, and they're super pigmented. This retails for $32. And you see here it comes with this little plastic cover and it has shade names. So let's just dive right in real quick, shall we? Stunning. Living. Now, right away, my eyes go to this shade here, and this is called Create. I'm looking at these colors down here. Really cool. This one's called Dare Me. You got Cobalt Blue. You got one called Snatched. That's really cool. I gravitate toward that one as well. And then these here are all like transition shades. So I thought that was really cool that they have like, these are super huge and they're right in the middle. You can't miss them. So I like that. And then let's go ahead and swatch. So I'm gonna take this shade here that's called Expression, and I'm gonna go ahead and swatch Expression here. Okay, now I'm gonna take another shade called Create, that other pink one that I was looking at. I'm loving these already, just because they're really super duper pigmented on my finger, like you guys don't understand. That one's called Sculpt, okay? So let me jump into, a really deep shade. This one's called Granite. Okay. And I'm gonna do one more. And this one's called Dare Me. And you guys, I'm not even kidding. These are so pigmented. So pigmented. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm gonna create a look. I'm not gonna tell you which ones that I picked, but I'm going to start and create a look. And let's get into it. Let's jump into this crazy eye look. Hey guys, so I am back. I've already primed my eyes with the NYX white eyeshadow base. Okay, and she's all laid and slayed. Now I'm gonna go in with my first shade from this Morphe 39A palette, and that's going to be the shade Dare Me, okay? And this is that blue that I swatched, and I saw it and I was like, you know what? Let me just create this blue moment real quick, okay? Dare to Create. So let me just do that. So I have some here, and I'm just gonna actually pop this all over my lid. Okay guys, so the next shade that I am going to take for this look is going to be indigo, basically. And indigo is this shade here. It's another shade of blue, but it's a little bit darker. So I'm going to place that on the outer corners. Okay. Just to give a little bit of definition here. Now for the third shade, I'm gonna use a transition shade, and basically I'm just gonna place it like right at my crease and buff and blend out, you know, all the edges and make sure they, you know, work well together and look well together. So for that shade, I'm gonna use this shade and it's called Sunder. So I'm gonna place that right at my crease so it looks, you know, bomb and blended, and you know, just doesn't look super duper harsh. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take that first shade and I'm gonna place it on my waterline, and that shade was Dare Me. Hey guys, so I'm back. I cleaned all that stuff up. I kind of cleaned up my eyes and everything like that. And then I primed. And for primer, I'm using the Milani Prime Correct. It's a face primer and it's like orange. It's really, really cool. I just put it on. This actually came, you know, obviously it's a sample. I ordered a brow product from them. And this, along with some other things, came as samples. And I think this is really cool. Like, it's a face primer. It already has your color corrector in it. Like, it's cool. But it is not matte, okay? So if you're looking for a matte primer, this is not it. It's like more silicone based for sure. But I like it. I think it's a genius idea. Like, you don't, you know, you're merging a couple of steps into one. So now for foundation, I'm gonna go ahead and use the Revlon Photoready Insta Filter. If you guys still haven't picked this up, I know a few of my friends said that it was hard to find their shade, but this is definitely worth the time and like the 10 or 11 bucks that I spent on it. Like, this is a really, really good foundation, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna dot it all over my face. And let's blend, baby. Okay guys, so for concealer, I'm using the NYX Conceal Correct Contour in Deep. Okay, and I'm gonna just go, here. And a little bit of this yellow. I'm feeling festive today. Just place that here. Okay, so for setting powder, of course I'm gonna use my Sacha Buttercup, and I'm gonna go ahead and spray my brush. Go ahead, and I'm using a it's like really super old, it's some black Radiance I guess concealer. okay? I'm pretty sure they probably don't make it anymore. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna buff it out. Okay guys, so today for brows, I'm using the Milani Stay Put Brow, okay? And this is in dark chocolate. And it comes with like a little brush and a little spoolie. So I like this. This is my first time, you know, about to just go in with this. So I'm placing it on my hand just to warm it up a little bit. Ooh. Ooh, nice precision. Nice precision. I don't know what's going on, but Milani, they have stepped up their game. Hey guys, so I'm back. I went ahead and finished the rest of my face. I've added my brows, some lashes, a little bit of blush, and my lips. And honestly, you guys, I'm living, straight up living for this look right now. I'm not a big eyeshadow color person, but I love this. I'm loving this eye look. What? Okay, so now the look is all done, I'm gonna go ahead and hit my face up with my Maybelline Master Fix setting spray, and then we're gonna go ahead and talk about this Morphe 39A Dare to Create palette. So let's go ahead, let me hit this face up, okay? Okay guys, so like I said, you know, this is definitely the palette for you if you love colors and you just want to try, you know, some great looks and just try and create like it says. And inside it has this little message. It says, "Be your own muse, we dare you." And like I told you guys, I'm not huge on color when it comes to eyeshadow. But when I got this palette in the mail and I opened it up and looked at everything, it literally inspired me to create. And that's no joke. I'm not just saying that. This is not a sponsored video or anything like that. This palette is bomb. And I do know of some palettes out there, not from this brand, that actually irritate my eyes. Like, I don't know what it is. Sometimes they can be really powdery, really chalky, and sometimes they just irritate my eyes with a lot of kickback. And I mean, like, I'm not one of those people that like fallout is just like it's done for me when there's fallout. But when it starts to get into my eyes and it starts to irritate and just not blend as well, then, you know, it becomes a little discouraging, you know, when it comes to eyeshadow for me. But you guys, this palette is amazing. And if you haven't tried any Morphe palettes whatsoever, the price point is on point. And, you know, just the blendability, the colors, everything, the pigment, Morphe is where it's at for sure. So this is Kelly approved. I'm living for this look. So I thank you guys so much for watching. This is the end of this video. I'm in love with this palette. I'm gonna be creating much more looks with this thing. So you guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below if you guys want me to try out anything else out there that's out or that's coming out, or if you just wanted to comment on this look, do that down below, guys. Show me some love, and I will see you guys next time.